So here's my secret of getting the perfect paint mix every single time. And this program is free to use. So I let the program do the dirty work for me. I go to dixiebelle.com. I go to their color lab. It asks you to upload whatever image you want that you want to color match. I uploaded this gorgeous Wedgewood vase or vase that my sister had picked up as the inspo color, and it'll spit out some matches for you. You can choose the lighter one, the darker one, whichever one you feel comfortable. And then it gives me a bunch of the paint recipes to match this up. So you just click on the one you want to match, and it'll spit out the paint recipes for an exact match. It'll also give you some alternatives. So if you wanted it to be a little bit more purple, a little bit darker blue, it will give you some alternatives. Now, I didn't want to use the chalk paint because I have silk paint on hand. So I hit the silk paint tab, and it gave me the perfect 50-50 mix. 50% salt water, 50% Cape Current. I had both on hand, so this was an ideal Wedgewood custom color paint mix.